Alright guys, today's video is all about how I put gold leafing around my lettering to make it pop a little bit more. I have a cotton candy booth that I sell cotton candy and snow cones at, and I do about 3 events a year. My sign, I used to use those dry erase markers because this is a dry erase board, and for years and years I would color in the dry erase, and then kids would come by and touch it and rub it off, and it looked really bad. So I decided this year, my wife has a Cricut machine, so I asked her to print me out some vinyl lettering, and this is what we came out with. I just wanted this cotton word up here to really pop, so I threw the gold leaf around the edges of it, and in this video I'm going to show you how I did that, so stay tuned. The first thing I did was start by outlining my letters. I started on the outside, and then I came to the inside, and I ended up leaving just a small space around each letter, and that way the gold leaf could rest inside of that space. What it looked like when I was done. So then I got some tacky glue, and this glue is made specifically for gold leaf. It needs to be tacky, so whenever it starts to dry it becomes really tacky and not very wet and sticky. Whenever you apply it, you want to apply it in the thinnest coat possible, not like I do here where it's thick. You want to spread it out and thin it out as thin as you can get it, and that lets it, like I said, become tacky, and it'll make the gold leaf stick a lot better. If you leave it on too thick, then the gold leaf it won't stick as well, and it'll tend to want to ball up and flake off. So just go around all the letters and put it on everywhere that you want the gold leaf. Be sure and rinse your brush off when you're done, or else you'll have a mess. The gold leaf I bought comes in sheets like this, but since I needed thinner, smaller lines, I just cut it up into strips. And this worked really well for me. I was able to waste very little material by going this route. And I could just kind of work it around and do several swipes with each strip, basically. Now once I was done, I used a brush to kind of push what I could in and break loose some of the flakes and just kind of finish it off. After that, it was time to remove the tape, so I started by taking it off the outside, and then after that I quickly moved to the inside. So there you have it, the final product. I think it turned out real well. I think the gold just kind of really makes it pop, makes it look old-fashioned, and I like it a lot. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you on the next one.